Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Chika Chika Mini! Grabe, Danny Pangilinan learning back while Belle Mariana is making beso. Magjowa o parang mag-asawa talaga. Hay, nakakainis na kayong dalawa.